revolution of this product, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, guys, I'm so happy to see you again. You guys, so as the title, today I'm going to review swatches and do eyeshadow look like this. Okay, the product from Revolution London. Oh my god, our favorite brand, right? Okay guys, the product is Cherry Revolution. Okay guys, one set like this. Inside there are two eyeshadow palette, guys, and one makeup setting setting spray, guys, fixing spray, and the lip gloss, guys. Yeah, if you're curious, guys, keep on watching. Yeah guys, I purchased this product from Revolution website online. Okay guys, yeah, the price is 10 euro, guys. Okay, I will put the price over here if I done wrong. Yeah, for me is affordable, yeah guys, because we have a lot of product. Okay, first we have, guys, I start from the small eyeshadow first. Okay, you can see how gorgeous the packaging. Okay, actually wait, guys, I confused as how to explain to you. Okay, there are two eyeshadow palette like this one the big size and this one the small size. Yeah guys, okay, you can see the packaging like the chocolate melting like that. Yeah, I think this one is so gorgeous, guys. Okay, and more information about this product from the bottom, yeah, Sam. Okay, and let's open, guys. Okay, like this, guys. This one the small size. Okay, I'm going to do some swatches for you. So guys, here the swatches for you. You can see the color story. Yeah guys, and now I'm going to swatches for you the big size color. Okay, you can see how pretty the color story, like the purple and pink like that. Oh my god, so colorful. I like this, guys. Guys, here I swatches all the color for you. Okay, like this, yeah guys, you can see how difficult, guys, so many colors, but I love also the colors, guys, so colorful, suitable for me. Yeah guys, let's redo the eye look like this. So pretty, guys. So I'm using this color, yeah guys, sorry, this palette I mean. Okay, we start from the base. Yes, I using this color, yeah guys. Okay, apply a whole my eyelid like that and continue using this color, yeah guys. Like dark purple like that. Okay, continue use this purple color. Okay guys, we put the same area here like that, guys. Okay, and using this shimmer color from the middle, yeah guys. Yeah, put like this, yeah guys, and use this purple color from the lower area, guys. Use the small brush like this, yeah guys. Guys, this is my eye look today. Okay, I only use this palette. Okay, this one I don't use today. So now I'm going to try this no setting spray, guys, fixing spray. Okay, chocolate cherry fixing spray. Okay, I check first, then yeah, we're going to try. Oh my god, guys, smell like chocolate. Yeah. Okay, then after that I'm going to put a highlighter, guys. Okay, we're using this one, yeah, guys. Okay, I try to use this color as the highlighter. Let's try. Okay, let's try over here. Wow, so glow. And over here, wow, so glue. And let's try on my and let's try put here, guys, on the nose area. Wow, okay, a little bit here. And here also, like that. Also in this area, I guess, a little bit only, like this. And let's try the last product, guys. What is this? This one, the lip gloss, yeah, guys. Lip gloss. Oh my god, guys, I really love this packaging. You can see how smells so nice. Okay, let's try on my lips. Wow, the color like the cherry color, yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, the color like this. Oh my god, I think this lip gloss, yeah, you can see, guys, can cover my mouth. You see? Oh my god. And the smell as a smell chocolate, guys. Okay, guys, I want to wear this. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, so now we are talking about the conclusion of this product, guys. Worth it to buy or not? Ta-da! For me, guys, honestly, this one really worth it to buy, and I really recommended this for you, okay? Because the price is affordable. And yeah, you can see the eyeshadow is the texture, I guess, a little bit like a creamy texture, no fallout at all. Oh my god, guys, I really love this palette, guys. And the lip gloss also good, high pigmentation like that. And the fixing spray, guys, make my face look so dewy finish like that. Oh my god, I really love all the product from the Cherry collection. Here, guys, like this. Oh. Okay, guys, that's all of my video today. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have any question or any request video about beauty and makeup, okay, let me know with your comment in comment section below, guys. Thank you so much and see you on the next video. Bye bye.